Okay, so in this assignment, you do have a chance to earn some bonus points, which is amazing before the quarter ends. But before you have the opportunity to get those bonus points, you're going to have to do this first. So it says two-step equations con. So go ahead, click on that. Once you're finished with this, you have two opportunities to get bonus points. So I'm in con and it says solve for x. Now we're doing two-step equations. Yesterday we focused on one-step equations, but now we are doing two-step equations. So I have this problem right here, and what you should be doing is following along with a piece of paper and a pencil. So what I'm doing, you should do on paper. Okay, so we have solve for x. Negative 30 equals 5, parentheses, x plus 1, close parentheses. So I know the very first thing I have to do is use the distributive property to get rid of these parentheses because I can't do anything with the parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and type it out over here. I've got negative 30 equals 5x plus 5. 5. Okay, so we are good with that. And now my goal is to get x by itself, just like it was yesterday. So if I'm trying to get x by itself, I know the very first thing I have to do is get rid of this plus 5. I'm kind of working from the outside and getting closer to the x. So if I have x plus 5, I know that I have to subtract 5 because subtraction is the opposite of addition. And I'm going to do that from both sides of my equation. So now I have negative 30 minus 5. If you don't have Desmos pulled up, it would be a great idea to have Desmos pulled up right now. Go ahead and do that. So I have negative 30 minus 5. That gives me negative 35 equals 5x. So these 5's canceled out, and I am ready to keep going. Now I know I'm going to have to divide by whatever is in front of x. So in this case, what's in front of x is a 5. So I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides. Okay, and then when I do that, I have negative 35 divided by 5. Negative 35 divided by 5. That gives me a negative 7. Beautiful. So negative 7 equals x because these 5's cancel out. And that's all I have to do now that x is by itself. So type in negative 7 and get the little ding down there. Okay, so you're going to keep doing this with the rest of your problems. You have to get 5 out of 7 or more correct in order to earn credit. Once you're done with that, you can work on these two guys, which will give you some bonus points before the quarter ends.